So, not a lot of updates this week. I was waiting on parts from FCP. Um, got the remain seal on, got the clutch and flywheel on. I had to order this guy from the Prince. Worked out really well. Thanks, guys. Got the angle gear completely rebuilt, so that's ready to go on. Put new seals on the sides of the transmission, so that guy's ready to go on. Did that to torque the flywheel. And then let me go back over here. I got the shifter put in, or shift cables, as well as the shifter. So next will be pedals. Get all that put back together. And then while I was waiting on parts, I took apart my mock-up engine. So this guy here. So I took out crank, rods, pistons, and all the crap off of it, just to make that a lot lighter. And then I'll bolt that up to the stand that it always sits on. So there's the crank. I need to pull the crank anyway, because I bought a T5 block and it had a spun rod bearing and the crank was bad. So there's my new crank for that when I go to build a motor for this guy. So I'll keep that. Just who knows, I might get another one day. And then I'm sending this one to Cahill. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, man. But so he's sending me his bad one back, and then I'll use that one so I can still mock up turbo kits. I've got a couple of turbo kits lined up. So there's the axles for the manual, and then that's going in the, I'll probably keep that too. I don't know. I got a storage unit full of stuff, so I might just throw it in there. But yeah, ready to put the transmission and the angle gear back on this thing and throw her back in the car. And then the fun begins from there. So that'll be it for this video. Nice, short and sweet. And then we'll get back on it Monday and start getting some actual progress done. Thanks for watching, guys.